Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. In this video, we'll show the 5 best palm sander on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. Introducing the DEWALT DWE6411K palm sander, which is a reliable and comfortable tool for sanding. Its 2.3 amp motor stands at 14,000 OPM, and the rubber overmold texture provides a smooth and comfortable control. The improved paper clamp ensures better paper retention, and the locking dust port system allows the user to lock the vacuum hose up with the sander. This sander has reduced overall height to get the user closer to their work, a foam pad for flatter sanding plane, and a separate counterweight for reducing vibration. Rubber dust boot over the switch protects against dust ingestion for longer switch life. The dust port is designed to fit directly to DWV010 or DWV012 dust collectors. Pros: weight and sturdy sander, well designed, works great, easy to handle and use. The BOSCH ROS20VSC palm sander is a versatile and efficient tool for finish, carpenters, and cabinet makers. With its powerful 2.5 amp motor and variable speed control, users can easily match speed to their task and workpiece. The pad dampening system and microfilter dust collection system makes for a smooth finish and a cleaner work environment. Sander also comes with a range of useful accessories, including a dust canister, sanding pad, and carrying bag. Overall, the BOSCH ROS20VSC is a reliable and high-performing tool that delivers excellent results. Pros: high-performing tool, quiet operation, easy to change sandpaper, efficient dust collection system. WEN6301 electric detailing palm sander is a powerful yet lightweight tool that provides efficient sanding at 13,500 OPM. With a 3.75 x 5.5 inch pad and angled tip, it enables precision work, and the dust collection port helps minimize sawdust. The Velcro base pad allows for easy sandpaper removal and installation. This detail sandpaper is an excellent choice for anyone seeking precise sanding with added efficiency. Overall, the WEN electric detailing palm sander is a reliable and efficient tool for any DIY project or woodworking professional. Pros: great product, powerful yet very quiet, works well, easy to use. The DEWALT DCW200B palm sander is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a reliable cordless sander. Its brushless motor provides excellent runtime and efficiency, while its variable speed control allows for precise sanding. The low profile height of the sander also lets users get close to the work surface for even more precision. Additionally, the paper clamp design holds paper securely and allows for easy installation. Dust-sealed switch protects against dust ingestion for long switch life, while the texturized rubber overmold grip ensures comfortable sanding. Pros: great sander, gives smooth finish, lightweight and rechargeable, easy to use. Cons: eats batteries quickly. Skil 729202 palm sander is a powerful tool suitable for even the most challenging DIY projects. Its microfiltration system effectively captures dust particles, ensuring a clean working surface. The pressure control system helps inexperienced users apply the correct amount of pressure, while the padded grip allows for comfortable long-term use. Its hard, see-through plastic dust container prevents dust from becoming airborne or spilling, making it better than the typical fabric bags. This sander has excellent stock removal and an easy-to-use switch. Pros: prevents dust and debris, powerful palm sanders, built-in vacuum adapter, includes a paper punch, easy to use. Cons: a little louder. That's all for today guys, hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Hit the bell icon for regular updates, and I'll see you in the next video with another review.